Hi children. Today we are going to learn a story, The Bundle of Sticks. I think you are ready with your worksheets. It is in worksheet number 141 and the video number is 93. And what's the story? The Bundle of Sticks. Now let's get started how the story goes on. We are going to learn about this story. The old man, servant who's carrying the bundle of sticks and the 3 sons which he had. So now let's go ahead and see the story, how it goes on from our worksheet. It is in page number 141. Let's read the story and understand through these pictures. The bundle of sticks. An old man on his deathbed called his sons around him to speak to them. An old man on his deathbed called his sons around to speak to them. So what does that mean? You can see a man is lying here and he called his 3 sons. They were a bit mischief. They were not working hard. They were not doing the everyday works. So the old man wanted to teach them a lesson. So he called his sons and he also called servant to bring in a bundle of sticks. You can see here he is holding a bundle of sticks. Then what happened? Let's see. He told his servants to bring in a bundle of sticks and said to his eldest son, here's the eldest son. Break it, son. What did he say? Break it, son. He tried hard with all his strength but was unable to break the bundle. So he tried hard and hard and hard but he couldn't break it. The first son tried, then the second son tried and the third one tried. No one could break it up. Because it is hard, it is strong. So children, the other sons also tried, but none of them were able to break the bundle of sticks. So what did we understand till here? There was a man, he was about to die and his sons were very naughty, not hard working at all. They used to waste a lot of time. They simply wasted a lot of time. So this man wanted to teach his sons a lesson how to be united because they were fighting all the time between them. Among them they were fighting. So he called his servant to bring in a bundle of sticks and then he gave it to his sons. First the eldest son he said to break it. Then he asked his second son to break it. He was not. Third son he asked but he was not able to do. Then let's see what happened. Untie the bundle and each of you take a stick, said the father. Who said to untie? The father said to untie the bundle and take 1 stick each. So each one took one stick. One stick. So what happened there? They could easily break it because it was only one. When they had done so, he said to them, now break the sticks, and each stick was easily broken. The father said, do you understand now? When you are united, you are strong, and when you are divided, you become weak. So always be united, my dear sons. So my little ones, so they were trying to break up the sticks. Bundle of sticks, they couldn't do it, but when it came to one stick, they could easily break it. It's for example, if you have one pen or pencil, it's easy to break, isn't it? But if you hold on 4-5 pencils or more than one, it's a bit hard to break, isn't it? That means united. Another example I would like to say, when you are playing with your friends, suddenly you want to lift up something. Suppose Or else let us take an example of a bench in the class. If your teacher says, my dear Anna, my dear Mary, my dear John, please lift up the bench. So if only Anna goes, if only Maria goes, if only John goes, can they lift it up? No, it is harder for them. But instead, if 3 of them go together and lift up the bench, they will be easily able to do it. That means 3 together, they were strong. Their strength put in together, they became stronger. But as one, it was hard. The strength of one person was not enough. Okay children, that's the story. United we stand and divided we fall. What is the moral of the story? When the 3 brothers are united like this, they are united, not fighting with each other, not quarreling, no beating. They are together, they are loving each other together, then they are strong. So the moral is, unity is strength. So are you going to be strong by being united? If you have a brother or sister, if you have cousins, you must be loving to them. Not only cousins, not only friends, even mother, father, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, let it be anyone in your house. Being united doesn't mean your age mates, your classmates. Suppose for example, mama says, what does mama say? Help you in small works, right? So when mama is trying to sweep the floor, you must say, mama, let me help you. So the work becomes lighter for mama. Mama can do other work when she's doing. You may not do it so neatly because you're small little kids. But just give a helping hand. When papa is going to office, just give a helping hand. Maybe his kerchief, maybe his socks, maybe his laptop to him, maybe his bag, maybe his tiffin bag. You give it to him. You be a helping hand to him or her. That is unity is strength. That means you and mama united, you and papa united. Then you become stronger. My little ones, let's see by reading the story. When I read the story, please put your pointing fingers and read the story along with me. Okay children, please put your pointing fingers and read the story along with me. The bundle of sticks. An old man on his deathbed called his sons around him to speak to them. He told his servants to bring in a bundle of sticks and said to his eldest son, break it, son. He tried hard with all his strength but was unable to break the bundle because it was strong. The other sons also tried but none of them were able to break the bundle of sticks. This is the story, children. So I'll read from the worksheet for you. An old man on his deathbed. Please put your pointing finger as we read. An old man on his deathbed called his sons around him to speak to them. He told his servant to bring in a bundle of sticks and said to his eldest son, break it, son. He tried hard with all his strength but was unable to break the bundle. The other sons also tried but none of them were able to break the bundle of sticks. So children, let's see what is in the remaining part of the story. So here, the next sentence, untie the bundle. Untie the bundle and each of you take a stick, said father. My little ones, please put your pointing finger as you read. Okay? Now, untie the bundle and each of you take a stick, said Father. When they had done so, he said to them, now break the sticks. And each stick was easily broken. The father said, do you understand now? When you are united, you are strong. And when you are divided, you become weak. So always be united, my dear sons. Now children, the moral of the story, united we stand, divided we fall. Okay, now my little ones, I just want you all to see the underlined words what we have. First one, please put your pointing finger. The first word in the first line we have deathbed. D-E-A-T-H-B-E-D. Deathbed. What is deathbed? Means a person is about to die. He's grown old, he's about to die, he doesn't have any energy to get up and do his works. And you might have seen sometimes your grandparents, your aunties, uncles, when they are seriously ill, they are very ill, they cannot get up from the bed. They are in the bed because they are weak, they are about to die. That is called as deathbed. So repeat this word after me. D-E-A-T-H-B-E-D. Deathbed. Come on again. D-E-A-T-H-B-E-D. Deathbed. Let's go to the next one. Servants. Servants means the people who help us in our daily works. Maybe washing vessels, maybe washing clothes, or who come to mop and clean the house, who do the gardening work. Different servants are there. Some may have servants, some may not have it. So let's see the spelling of servants. S-E-R-V-A-N-T-S. Servants. Let's repeat. S-E-R-V-A-N-T-S. Servants. Please don't say servants. Some children pronounce it as servants. Servants is wrong. Servants is correct. R is a kind of silent over there. It's servants, not servants. Okay children, next go to bundle. And this also it is not B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. B-U-N, bun. We eat buns, right? So, you need to add D-L-E for it. It becomes bundle. B-U-N-D-L-E. Bundle means a pile together. Bundle of clothes, bundle of sticks together. You can see in your worksheet, in the center, this picture is here. You can see the picture, it is bundle of sticks. They are tied together. That is bundle. Repeat with me. B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. Correct. B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. Then you have the word sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. You all know what is the meaning of sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. Right. Then let's go to the next one, eldest. Eldest means the biggest child in the house. The biggest child in the house is eldest. It's not only child, when you grow up also, the firstborn. The firstborn in the house is the eldest. E-L-D-E-S-T, eldest. E-L-D-E-S-T, eldest. Right. Let's move on to break. You all know what to break, right? Sometimes you break the things of your sisters, brothers, papa, mummy. We break the things, right? And when you are holding a glass, suddenly it falls down and breaks. It happens. So that's the break. So B-R-E-A-K, break. B-R-E-A-K, break. Come on children. Now when it comes to brake, we have a car brake. We have a scooter brake. This is not that brake. We are speaking about B-R-E-A-K. That is like it's broken. It fell down and broke. A stick broke. Bench broke. That brake we are speaking about. And then we have in the next para we have what do we have? Easily. E-A-S-I-L easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. Easily means like it's not hard to do. For example, if I ask you to draw a picture of a cat, just like that you will draw it. It's not difficult to draw, isn't it? It's easy to draw. But if I tell you, draw the picture of an elephant or a lion or a giraffe, it's hard, isn't it? You won't find it easy. But whereas a cat, you can easily draw it. That means it's not so difficult to do it. That's called easily. Then we have understand. Then we have understand. The spelling of it, U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D. Understand. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D. Understand. When your mummy, papa, teachers, anybody, they tell you something, they will ask, did you understand? Like, they'll say, did you understand this? Did you know the meaning of what I said? That is understand. Please repeat with me. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D. Stand. You have under in it and stand in it. They are two words. They are mixed together to become understand. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Next we have united. U-N-I-T-E-D. United. U-N-I-T-E-D. United. United means staying together. Staying means not sticking like this, touching each other. Loving each other and being together is united. Then we have strong. You all know the meaning of strong, right? We become strong. You become strong to lift up the bench. You become strong to carry your own bag. You become strong to help your mom and dad at home. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Right. Now children, as you read, please put your pointing fingers, okay? Next we have weak. What is the opposite of strong? You're very strong, right? But weak, no energy to do anything. You are weak, you're feeling tired. That's weak. W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. The next, last word we have is divided. D-I-V-I-D-E-D, divided. D-I-V-I-D-E-D. Divided means you and your brother, for example, you and your cousin are there. You are playing suddenly, you are playing happily together. Suddenly you fight with each other. One of you will go this side, one of you will go that side. That means you are divided. You split apart. That is called division. You're not supposed to do that. Okay, children? Now, let's go for the next one. We have in page number 141, you have some meanings as well as opposites. Let's see the meanings. Read with me, please. Number 1, untie. Untie. What's the meaning of it? Let loose. Make it loose. You tie maybe with a rubber band. You take your, after this class you can do one thing. Take 4 or 5 pencils together. Put them together. Ask mama for a rubber band and put a rubber band around these pencils or pens. Okay? That means you are tying it together. Untie. The meaning means you remove your rubber band and the pencils or pens are free again. They are separate. That is called untie, let loose. Okay, children? Servants, as I told you, they are domestic helpers. They help us in all our works. Any work, let it be cooking, cleaning, washing, any work. Now we have learned the opposites. You know opposites. Tall, short, fat, thin, isn't it? Those are the opposites which we learnt in the previous lessons too. Here we have old, young. The man was old, the children were young, right? Old, young. Old, young. Strong, weak. strong, weak. When they were together, they were strong. But when they divided, they became weak. Now children, next we have one answer in the same page. The answer says, who called the sons? Who called the sons? These things and all we are going to learn with the spelling. Okay? We'll be having a test in between. So learn with the spellings. And the answer is, an old man on his deathbed called his sons. Who called the sons? Repeat with me. Who called the sons? Repeat. Who called the sons? An old man on his deathbed called his sons. Please repeat children. An old man on his deathbed called his sons. Now children, these are the things which you have learned. You have learned the story. When you are united, you are strong, and when you are divided, you become weak. You also learned the meanings, you learned the opposites, and one question and answer. And I want you all to read this story 3 times. Okay children? It helps you to learn to read your writing very fast. And children, next we have 3 more question answers and frame sentences that we will be having in the next class. Until then, bye-bye. Have a great time. Thank you.